Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Thinkorswim background color, only ways. Open Thinkorswim and click Setup in the top right, then choose Application Settings to access appearance controls. Navigate to the Look and Feel or Theme section, pick a preset or create a custom palette, and adjust chart background, grid, and axis colors. Save your changes and restart the platform if needed to ensure the new background applies correctly. Accessing the precise controls makes this simple and satisfying. Open Application Settings, then the Look and Feel or Theme tab to see presets and custom options. Click each element like chart background, grid lines, and axis labels to use the color picker and fine-tune hue, saturation, and brightness. Use the preview area to confirm your choices, then save the theme so your custom background is preserved across sessions and workspaces. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I've been reading a book that can truly change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with making smarter trading choices. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy if you want. Now let's get back to the video. If your custom background seems off, start by calibrating your monitor and checking your display profile. Try different contrast and brightness levels in the color picker and consider loading another preset if readability suffers. Remember that some elements may require manual adjustment, so tweak grid and axis colors for clarity. If changes don't appear immediately, save and restart Thinkorswim to force a full UI refresh and confirm your new background is applied everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.